Hello guys, welcome to Nuer Online YouTube channel. Today tutorial is all about how we can edit a video using Magix Movie Pro 2016. This software is very easy to use, so anyone can use it. So if you are new to my channel and this is your first time to show up on my channel, I would like you to support me by subscribing to my channel. So I'm going to simply use a simple step. Number one, how can we be able to create a project? To do that, when you open this Magix Pro, all you got to do is that go to file right here and then go to new project, click new project, and then come to new create a new project right here. We can give it a name. We can call it, let me call it sample project. Okay, so after you complete that, you can be able to see movie setting. Okay, there are some settings that you can follow. Let's say if your video is not 1920 by 1080, you can even change it to other let me see, other side. We have, let me simply say, yeah, we have 1280 by 720. You can change it to whatever side that you want. For now, let us take to 1080 by 1920 by 1080. So here we have this. We can simply go right here and look at which directory we are going to store our project. So we have this place under user, which is my username, plus the documents, plus the name of the software, which is Magix Movie Pro 2016 Premium, and then the name of the project is called Sample. So all you got to do is that click OK. Now we have saved it. The next saving is simply go direct here. You can simply click this save button like this. We are going to save it again. Okay, there, let me click that. So we are going to save it again. Yep, it has to be sample project, so we are going to save it. Okay, now we are done there. So the next move is to add in a video right there, or a picture, or whatever thing that you want to add as a video. So all we gotta do right now is simply go direct into our project. Let me simply look for any image right here. So let me take in 2 or 3 videos, or let me simply take here. I can add all of this together. Let me add them right there. Okay. Import only. I don't have to just import them or export them into the folder under the directory. I only need to use the shortcut. Okay, here we have this video right here. Okay, I can simply play it, as you can see. Hold on. Okay, so you can see that. Let me simply do this. When you already add your video right here, all you gotta do is simply you can resize it like this. Okay, let's say let me put it right there, and then I can also use this side right here and change it. I can even try to put this thing right there. I can do a little bit of editing. Okay, depending on what you want it to look like. Okay, let me simply try to play it. Okay, now you can see that it is moving. Let me simply make it smaller. Okay, so that we can read there. You can add a bunch of scenes on this, okay, by simply cutting and doing other things that you like to do, whatever place that you want to put there. Okay, so you can add, just simple as that. So you can simply pull it there. Okay, let me see, put it right here. So now we have let's simply say that this is a project that we did already and we arrange it. Now in order for you to add any music, all you got to do is that goes direct into the folder. Let me simply go back into this folder right here. We have this folder. Let me go direct into music folders, and then we have number of music right here. So let me simply put this right here. This one is audio itself, so I will put it down there. I'm not gonna play that, import only. Okay, so now we have this is audio. Okay, so you can simply align it together with the video. So now you can simply do this. Okay, you can push this thing also there. Okay, just like that. So if you don't want any video right here, a scene that you do not need, or let me simply cut it, you can cut it like this, and you do not need the scene right here. You can simply press delete from your keyboard, or all you gotta do is that right click on it and look for the deletion here, like delete object. you can click that and it will go away. So if you want simply to stretch it, you can do like that. So this is one thing that you have to follow. Okay, when you want, let's simply imagine that the video size is small and you want to make it larger. Okay, all you gotta do is that you go to effect right here, you click effect from all this menu, because we have import, we have fades, we have title, and we have effects. Under effect we can click view animation, view or animation, we can go to side or position, and then from there we can be able to reside our video just like that, depending on how we want it. Okay, so after there you can do the rest. Simply try to download this software called Magix Movie Pro 2016, and then it will help you. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.